Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on your TikTok videos. So let's get started. Open your TikTok application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the TikTok application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile and then click on it. Then on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen you can also see 3 lines and click on them. By clicking on the 3 lines on the same page in the upper right corner, click on the Setting option. In the drop-down menu, scroll down to the Privacy option and click on it. After that, look for the option Allow Comments from in the drop-down menu and click on it. When a new page opens, click on Allow Comments. The application will open a small window and offer several options. We need the No One option. Click on it. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off comments on your TikTok videos. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy TikToking!